Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper button. Once the screen wakes up, you can press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called vibration. Once you find it, tap on it, and here we have the list of vibration intensity levels. We have none, so if you select this one, you won't have any vibration on your watch. Then we have soft and strong. So select the one you like, and once you select it, tap on OK to confirm. And then you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.